Okay, this is a beautiful modern tiny home on wheels, and the home has a sleek design with large windows and a small front porch. And the background is scenic drive with trees and mountains, and the lighting is so bright. The kitchen has white cabinets and a black countertop. There's a loft bed above the kitchen, and the bathroom has a shower room and a small sink. Then the room has indirect lighting anyway. Then in this design, black modern tiny home interior with a loft bed, a kitchen, a shower room, and a living area. Then the loft bed is placed above the living area, which features of a sofa, a potted plant, and a lamp. Then the kitchen has a sink, a stove, and refrigerator. And the shower room is separated from the living area, and then the entire space has indirect grid lighting. And this one, a beautiful black modern tiny home interior with kitchen, loft bed, and shower room. And the kitchen especially has a stove, sink, and refrigerator. And the loft bed is accessible via a ladder. Then the shower room has a opaque glass door. Then the space has indirect lighting. Then in this design, modern tiny home interior with indirect lighting with dark color or black color. Then the kitchen has a loft bed, shower room, and opaque glass. And overall space is clean and minimalistic. Okay, well, and this is a beautiful black modern tiny home interior also, which is the room has a black and white color scheme with black walls and white furniture. There's a black sofa, a white coffee table, and a white bookshelf. Then there's also a black lamp on the coffee table and a black rug on the floor. And the room has a small window with white curtains. Then there is a staircase leading to a loft with a black railing. Then this is a black modern tiny home interior design also, and the walls, ceiling, and floor are all black. There's a small white sofa with black legs and a round white coffee table with a black top and a potted plant, and also a few steps lead to a loft with a white bed. There's a small white shelf near the entrance, then the space is well lit. Okay, well, this is a beautiful interior dark color theme, a modern tiny home, which is the home is black and white with a few pops of color. There's a loft bed with a white railing. The floor is a light wood. There's a small desk area with a potted plant, and the room has a few pieces of colorful furniture. And it was including a chair and a cushion. Well, this is a beautiful black modern tiny home interior also with the room has a loft bed with storage drawers underneath, a desk and a small sitting area. The walls are furniture are painted black and the room has white accents. There's a window near the ceiling, then the floor is covered with a black and white pattern rug. Well, this is a beautiful modern black tiny home interior also with a room has a queen size bed, a desk and a small sitting area. There's a potted plant near the window, the walls, floor and furniture are all black. Then the room has a few decorative items including a lamp, a painting and some books. There's a window with curtains, then the lighting is so soft. Okay, well, this is a beautiful modern tiny home interior also with the home is black and white. There's a black sofa, a white table with a black lamp and a black bookshelf, and there's also a black and white rug, and the walls are painted white. Then the last is the lighting is totally bright as we can look from here. Well, of the several designs, which interior arrangement design, especially the interior cabinets in a tiny home with a black theme, are you interested in? Please write in the commenter below and don't forget to subscribe this channel and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.